I think there are at least five items in which Colombia is pivotal for the recovery of Venezuela. Many people say, okay, we have to bring back industrial capacity to Venezuela. The fact is, most of the factories and industries have been destroyed, and updating those industries will take years. So, food supply. Colombia was, before the dictatorship, and should be now, the largest supplier of food to Venezuela. Close to market, great logistic framework and infrastructure, so that should happen. Second, for the energy reconstruction of Venezuela, Colombian companies, including Ecopetrol, can also partner with American companies on oil and gas and mining, you name it. Third, you need to give opportunities for Colombian infrastructure firms to partner with American firms in order to jump on new highway systems, railroads, airports, and ports updates and new construction. There are a lot of American companies that don't like to go directly to Latin America, that are always looking for local partners. You won't find better engineering that understands well the climate and geographical conditions as the Colombian firms that have already worked in Venezuela. And last but not least, Colombia will play a very important role in the services economy of Venezuela. So in those five items, I think we can certainly do it. We need capital. We need legal certainty. And well, today there's no way you can dispute a wrongdoing in a contract in Venezuela, so you need to find arbitration mechanisms, and the U.S. can play a very important role there. But I think it will be very interesting for American investors to do things in Venezuela, gain on asset prices, and I can tell you something. The value of asset prices, not only in Venezuela, but in Colombia, once this recovery begins, in 1 year time, it can be twice or three times the value that you have today on multiple assets. So it's a win-win for both economies. We used to have a $7 billion bilateral trade. It came to literally zero. And if that trade comes back, it will be at least 1 point of GDP in growth for Colombia, obviously for Venezuela. And I'll finish by saying this. Venezuela has on the oil and gas economy the engine of the recovery. There's no other sector that can do it. So I think the Exim banks, the DFCs, although the multilateral financiers have to look at this reconstruction as a great opportunity, and the best partner for any foreign company to start making profit in Venezuela will be to partner with Colombian companies that know the country well, have a great labor force, and already have a chain of supply that is just waiting to have the certainty to be back again where it was some years ago.